Today, I'd like to show you how to create a form directly from the BoloForms Signature dashboard. So first, head sign into the dashboard, and you'll be greeted by this view. Just go to the top right button on Create. Here, upload a PDF to get signed. Create a form directly in here with multiple signed questions which you can get filled. So here, the form editor will open up. Simply add as many questions as you like by the types here or by clicking here. The signature question is the top most right one of the, and you can have as many signatures as you like, and you can request signatures on different pages as well. This is the question arrangement editor. So here you can change the order of the questions as per your preferences. We also have a theme settings section where we can change the font of the form as well as the accent color, where we can further customize it according to our brand. The same thing can be done with the top right image here, where we can upload any image we'd like to again further customize our form. This is the editor view. Click on the top right here to the in the preview view, where you can see how how the form will be viewable to the submitter. You can test out all the questions here to see if they're working properly. You can also go further into settings and enable verify respondent email, which will verify that the by making the user login with Google. So this is another security feature which you can enable.